Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to hide all posts on Facebook in a single click. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Facebook app from your phone. If you don't have this app, then you have to download it from the Google Play Store. And after downloading the app, normally open it and you will see an interface like this. If I show you all of the posts of this profile, so here you can see that all of the posts are this. So I'm going to make them hidden from public to private. Let's see how we can do it. So click on this vertical bar on the top right corner. And from here you have to choose settings and privacy. And here you will get an option settings. Choose it. And from here scroll down a bit. And here you will get an option activity log. Choose it. And from here you have to choose public posts. So select this all option and click on this three dot bar and select change audience. Choose change audience again and choose only me and select change. And that's it. Now all of the posts of this profile is going to be private from public. So here you can see that it is showing public, but if we refresh the page now, you will see that all of the posts are now private. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Take care and goodbye. Allah Hafiz.